morning, ma'am.
Good morning, student. All right, we are working on painting landscape. Please take your pens and brushes.
Oh, ma'am, I forgot my paints at home. Can I borrow from some Poonam?
But I only have enough for myself.
It's okay, Aarti. You can save this time, but next time, make sure to bring your own supplies.
Thanks, ma'am. I will definitely remember next time.
But ma'am, what if we run out of pen?
Don't worry, I have some extra pens just in case. Now let's focus on painting beautiful landscapes.
But ma'am, I'm not good at painting. What if means looks terrible?
Don't worry, Aarti. There's no such thing like painting terrible. Art are about expressing yourself.
Yeah, I think they doesn't look perfect. It's on your own masterpiece.
All right, I will try it.